All right, what's on the bench today? We have a book review. I haven't done a book review in a while. This book is called The Book. Yes, the title of the book is The Book, and it's big. It's really, really, really big, okay? So it's about 2 inches thick, and it's very big, and it's very heavy. And it's not cheap. And I bought this as a present for my daughter and her husband, and they're kind of into this kind of stuff. And I thought I'd do a book review on it. I gave it to them last year, and I finally got around to looking at it myself recently. And what is it? It is the ultimate guide to rebuilding civilization. So after the apocalypse, after all the bad stuff happens, you need to rebuild society. You go to the book. All right. The book, The Ultimate Guide to Rebuilding Civilization, Quest Edition, 2024, Bad Idea Company in London. Okay, so the Bad Idea Company. And also has a thing here. It says Hungry Minds. All right, so you can buy this book for several reasons. One is the art, okay? The book has wonderful drawings, wonderful drawings all throughout. And so just as an art book, it is worth the price of admission just for that, okay? And the other reason you might have it is you like to know how things work, okay? So like here's a section on welding. You might want to do some things, or bicycles. So just kind of how things work. Paddle boat, here's, you can make your own stuff. Aeronautics, lock and keys. See, here's how that works. Here's the inside of a safe, a vault. So you might want to buy it for the steampunk aspect of it. It's a little bit steampunky. Yeah. There's a lot of science in here. You can buy it just for the science. Anyway, it's an interesting book. It ticks off all the marks in my interests. I love all of those things. I love the art. I love the science. I love the thought of it. Just to get new ideas, it's good to go through and say, oh yeah, that's a cool idea. Maybe I should do something along those lines, or yeah, it's wonderful. So hopefully, once you get done with the book, you've rebuilt society and everything's going to be good again. Telegraph, that's pretty cool. Modern art. There's even an art section in an art book. I love it. Musical apparatus. Anyway, I encourage you. I don't know if you can get this out of the library, if they've bought copies of this book or not. It was kind of being pushed for Christmas presents, and I kind of got sucked into it. I thought it was a good Christmas present. The funny thing is, everybody had the same idea in my household. And 2 of these books were bought, and they kind of like pointed that way, like this person gives this the book, and anyway, and we ended up with 2 of these books, and so we re-gifted one to a friend, so it didn't go to waste. 1 per household, please. Anyway, there you go. It's called The Book if you haven't seen it.